to the front is extend. Oh, there we go. How to add stuff to the front and back of arrays. Alright, the stream may have died, but my ambitions have not died. Okay, we're back. Apparently the stream is back. Let me make sure the stream health is okay. Alright, things are fine. Hi Sila, welcome back. How do I do this? So in Java, I would have made an array with the same size as nums. That sounds, you don't have to do that in Python, do you? Oh, hi Krishna, hello. Long time no see. I'm assuming it's that Krishna, right? I don't remember you having a last name. Hello Krishna. Nice to meet you if you're new. Unless you're the old Krishna. Okay, prefix products. And let's start our product. Int product is equal to 1. And then for every single num in nums, this question is literally so easy. Yeah, conceptually it is, I agree. But the problem is, can I implement it in Python? Okay, so you would set actually, I need an index, right? Do I need an index? Can I just append to it? Prefix prods dot append. Krishna says, yeah, it's me. Oh, hello. Welcome back. Long time no see. Append product. And then product times equals the num. Yeah. Okay. As a bogus value for now, I'm going to return empty list. I'm just going to sanity check this list. Let's print out prefix products. Just make sure I'm even doing this right. Print this boy. Invalid syntax. Oh, I tried typing. This is not Java anymore. Print prefix prods. Okay, now it's not even a Java issue. It's a skill issue. Okay, so I printed out 1 times 1 times 2 times... Yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere. 1 times -1 times 1 times 0 times everything else is 0. Okay. Sick. Now it's time for the suffix products. Suffix products is equal to that product, but we set that to 1. This time we have to go backwards, right? How do you go backwards in Java? I think I read something like for I in range. Range will start at length of nums -1. We'll stop at 0. We'll step by -1. Is this how you do it? Anybody in the chat knows? How do you iterate backwards in Java? I mean Python. Dang it, I keep saying Java. I'm too used to coding in Java now. Day 1 and coding in Python not going well. And then I can probably do like num is equal to nums I. Is this how you would do it? Don't know. And then you do suffix products. Sally says, let me send you the code, I guess. I don't really want like the solution given to me. I just want like advice here and there. Suffix products dot append. Should I do its extend? Extend adds all the elements from an iterable back of a list. Insert. Oh, it's insert. Insert the product. Okay, let's test out the suffix product now. Submit. Expected 2 arguments got 1. What am I supposed to do with the insert function? Insert at 0 and everything shifts? Oh, okay, sure. Is this the most efficient way to do this? I feel like insertion has to take some computation, right? What if you have to expand your array size? Okay, I'll just go with this for now. Okay, what do we have here? This looks wrong. Do they take the index first? Silo says, oh wait, it says O of n time complexity. I did it in O of n squared. Oh, well, not so easy now, huh, Silo? Prod. Is that why? The index has to come first? Oh, yeah. My guess was correct. Is this how you would insert a bunch of stuff in the array? In Java, I would have, like, initialize the array with a predetermined size, and then I could just insert at each index. So we do 1, 4, 3. Yeah, that's correct. 1, 3, negative 3, 0. Yeah, that's 3, negative 3. Something's off here. 1 times 3 times negative 3 times 0. 1. Am I missing some elements here? Is it because this is non-inclusive, this range thing? Maybe. Yeah, so now it becomes 1 times 3 times negative 3 times 0 times 1. Should there be more here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's probably it. Okay. Okay, we're making progress. So now all I have to do is iterate from start index to end index, and then put everything in the array, I guess. Result is equal to empty array for now. For I in range length of nums. Then I would do result I is equal to prefix products I times prefix, no, not prefix, suffix products I, and then return result uh-oh, line 20, index out of range. Really? Why? So which one is getting out of range exactly? Times suffix products I. Print prefix products. Oh no. Where are we getting this out of bounds? Okay, so it should be 0 through 3, right? 0 to 3. Is range non-inclusive here? Do I have to do a -1? Print I. Hello? 0? 0 is out of range, really? Why is index out of range here? When I'm just doing 0. 0, they do have elements inside. So apparently it's happening on this line. Why would 0 be out of range though? We're literally getting index 0. Am I not inserting the elements in the right way? Is append not the right move? Or is insert 0, prod not the right move? No clue. Time to ask ChatGPT, I'm stuck. Why am I getting index out of bounds 0 here in the last for loop? Result is an empty list. What? You can't assign? Oh. You can just do this? How do I assign an empty array that I can just assign to though? I see, okay. So it's the result list that's getting out of bounds. Python, how to instantiate list with elements. Wait a minute, why am I could have just done result.append, right? That'll solve my problem. And it'll automatically resize. Hey, we got it, boys! I am a smart boy. Yay, let's go. Submission accepted. I'm probably getting a really slow time now because of all these print statements. Submit. It's still the same? Okay, whatever. Okay, what did we learn here? List.append, I did not know that. List, you can do .append or .insert. There has to be more efficient ways of doing this, right? Append, insert. Because it has to keep expanding the length of the list, right? That should take some time. I wonder what the best way of doing this is. And then... yeah, how do you even instantiate a list with predetermined length? Oh, none times length. Okay, let me see how the fastest people do this. Oh wait, wrong problem. I was like, why does it only contain 3 lines? For I in range, I, comma, n. Prefix I, well this is short. So n is equal to the length of nums. Oh, here. That's how you do it, okay. So you just take any bogus element wrapped in a list times n times. Dang, okay. So you can do like -1 times n times. Okay, and then suffix -1 is equal to 1, prefix 0 is equal to 1. Oh, this is how you do the last one, right? For I in range I, comma, n. I gotta remember n is like inclusive, right? Oh no, n is exclusive here. That's so confusing. Wait, actually it's always exclusive, right? It's always exclusive. Prefix I is equal to prefix I minus 1 times nums I minus 1. Oh, I see. They're just taking the previous one. And then for I in range, n minus 2, comma, -1, -1. Yeah, figure out the suffix. Oh, okay. So I think I know how to make mine faster then. 0 times length of nums. All of this can be 0 times the length of nums. Yeah, I imagine to resize an array, it takes computation too. Okay, so instead of appending, we can set the index for I in range lane nums prefix products is equal to, well, I is equal to the product. And then prod times equals nums. Yeah, okay. Prod equals 1. That's correct. Num is equal to nums I. Why did I do this? The current number. Suffix prods dot insert for I in range. Oh, I already have the index, so I could just do I is equal to the product. No need to insert. Product times equals nums I. There's no need for this line. Result is equal to this length. For I in range, lane nums. Result I is equal to, yeah, this whole shtick. And then you return result. This should be faster because you instantiate the list of the length of the list in the first place. Num is not defined. Nums I had to actually get the num this time. There we go. Please be faster. Don't be like 5%. 62%, much better. Okay, accepted. I'll take it. Should I write this problem down? Like conceptually I know how to do it, but implementing it was a whole different story. I did not know you can instantiate lists like this. It seems like such a hacky way to do it at first glance, but I guess it's how people do it. Yeah, okay. We have this one beat. I'm really tempted to erase this and just do it again. Just because I messed up on it in the first place. Should I do that? Sure, whatever, I'll do that. Practice is good. Okay, so from scratch, we need a prefix array is equal to -1, or just 0 times length of nums. For we iterate from, we need the product 2 equals 1, iterate from left to right. For I in range length of nums. So prefix I is equal to the current product. Then the product is multiplied by the current number, nums I. And then we figure out the suffix array. Suffix is equal to times lane, nums. 0 I guess is our bogus value. Prod is equal to 1 again. For I in range lane nums -1 because it's inclusive. -1 because it's non-inclusive, and then -1 because that's our step. Suffix I is equal to equal product. Then we update the product with nums I. What happens next? We build our result array. Result is equal to same thing. Focus value 0 times length nums. And then 4. This is the same for loop as above. We iterate from left to right. Result I is equal to what? Prefix I times suffix I. And then you return the result. Are we gonna one-shot this? Wow, we are. Let's go. I feel like I finally internalized this. This was a good review. Accepted. Hey. That feels good. Although by only 46%, was there anything else I could do? I feel like this is all syntax at this point. So they never really store a product. What if I try submitting again? Is it going to be faster? Oh, now I'm 62%. Okay, I don't care anymore. This is good enough. I actually did 5 Leetcode problems today. 3 I did off stream, 2 on stream. I guess it makes sense because I've done all these problems before recently in Java. But yeah, pretty soon we'll be back on track with dynamic programming and the graphs. Alright. Cool. Well, that's the last problem I'm doing. How are you guys doing? I'm having a pretty busy week lately. Let's see. Yeah, I'm having one of the biggest projects ever at work. It was actually the project of the senior engineer that left, and it's my project now. So, fun times. But hopefully it's gonna be over soon, and I can have some breathing room. And also I'm trying to learn Leetcode in Python, so 2 challenges at once. Why am I subjecting myself to this? Oh yeah, I wanted to change to Python because I recently saw a video from Leetcode, and he was like, he specifically called out Java for being too verbose for Leetcoding. Like, he actually used Java before too, and then switched to Python. Like, dang, he actually just called out my own programming language. So yeah, I did try switching to Python before for Leetcoding. It was hard. I didn't make it. Now I'm trying it again. Hopefully I don't give up this time. Yeah, we'll see where this goes. I have already done 5 problems. Was that where I left off last time? I totally forgot. Yeah, I totally forgot, but hopefully this is not a phase. Hopefully it actually lasts. Oh, I remember. I think last time I stopped on some dynamic programming because apparently memorization with Python sometimes still gets time limit exceeded on Leetcode, which is kind of annoying for me, but we will cross that bridge when we get there. What else? Oh, hello everyone in chat. Hello. How's your guys' day going? Do you guys even understand what's going on in this stream? I feel like my stream disconnected. like 10 minutes in, so that now there's no intro. You can't rewind back to an intro anymore. It's just some random guy leak coding in Python, and he happens to be really bad at it. He's doing the easiest problems, and he can't even instantiate a set correctly. Oh yeah, what did we learn today? I was taking notes as I was doing the problems. So today we learned how to instantiate a set. Apparently that's how you do it. I thought you could just do curly brackets, but no, you just do set. Curly brackets are reserved for dictionaries, I think. What else did we learn? Sets use .add. You can do the in operator for sets. And then for iteration, no, I already knew that. Oh yeah, for instantiating lists, apparently you can just do this. This is so wacky to me. In Java, you can't do this. You can just do whatever bogus value you want times the length of your array, that's pretty convenient actually. I like that. In Java, it would be like, oh my goodness, what would even be in Java? In Java, it would be like int prefix is equal to new int nums.length, and then you would do a little arrays.fill prefix with 0. Dang, that sucks. This is so verbose. And then in Python you can just do this. Yeah. I heard for one of the Leetcode problems, what's it called? One of the caching problems, LRU caching, least recently used caching. In Python, technically you can use a decorator, like a one-line decorator to solve that problem. And there's no way to do that in Java. You have to write like 100 lines of code. So hopefully, yeah, this Python thing isn't just a phase. Hopefully I actually follow through. And then for lists, apparently you can do .append, .insert. Although the empty way was the way to go. Sure. I still have no idea how to do other stuff like priority queues. How do priority queues work in Python? Python priority queue. So there's a heap queue module. Heap queue dot heap push. Oh, interesting. So you actually instantiate a list, and then there's a specific class that helps you push stuff to the list. I'm assuming you're pushing this tuple, and then it automatically sorts it by, is it by order of the elements? Like you order by this column first and then this column next. Oh, wait, no. This is the priority. This item is the priority, and then that's the item. It's pretty cool. Okay, I see you. Yeah, I am liking what I see in Python so far. It's like, it is a lot more convenient. Like, oh, where did my screen go? Did my screen just disappear? Oh, like here. 2 sentences merged into one. Alright. Oh yeah, and then we learned. Alright. I learned that you have to capitalize true and false. That got me twice. Yeah. Alright, well, that's enough review for today, I think. Cool. So we did 5 problems in Python. That's pretty good. Alright, I am hopping off then. Thank you to whoever's here still. Bye. Thanks for watching.